As an AI language model, I can recommend some of the best AI tools that are currently available. Here are a few that you might find useful. OpenAI GPT-3, this is one of the most advanced AI tools available today. It is a language model that can generate human-like text in response to prompts. It can be used for a wide range of applications, from generating content to answering questions. TensorFlow is an open-source machine learning library developed by Google. It can be used to build and train a wide range of machine learning models, from simple linear models to complex neural networks. PyTorch is another open-source machine learning library that is widely used in the research community. It is known for its ease of use and flexibility, and it can be used to build and train a wide range of machine learning models. IBM Watson is a suite of AI tools and services that can be used for a wide range of applications, from natural language processing to computer vision. It includes pre-built models and APIs that make it easy to get started with AI. Hugging Face is a popular open-source library that provides pre-trained models for a wide range of natural language processing tasks, including text classification, question answering, and language translation. It also provides tools for fine-tuning these models on your own data. These are just a few of the many AI tools that are available today. The best tool for you will depend on your specific needs and the problem you are trying to solve.